So, if you clicked on the link of the video, you're gonna know why you're here. And that is for some rear brake lights on a Nissan Altima. Let's get started. So the tools needed today are a 1/4 inch ratchet. Any ratchet will do. This is just the style I got. You are also going to need a 1/4 inch 8mm socket. You will need a flathead screwdriver. Any size will really work. This is just big, don't matter. And then you will also need another screwdriver, but this depends on the body pins you have in your trunk. You might have the style that takes this flathead, or you might have the style that takes this. So that is depending on the vehicle you have. And of course, you need your light bulbs. Now, we have the 3 157 General Electric bulbs. And if you go to your local motor parts store or whatever, they will tell you what bulbs you need and everything. Today we used 2 of them just to show you how to do each side and everything else. And that's everything. And now we'll be off to change some bulbs. So, the first thing you want to do is back in your trunk, you have these 2 little push pins in here. So you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and just pop them out. Alright, and then after you get those 2 pins out, it should be pretty simple. This whole cover here pops out, and then this reveals all the wiring for your lights. I need to unscrew these. So once you pop this cover back, there are 2 screws here and here you want to pop out, and these are pretty easy to come out, and then that will make your back light loose. So we'll take these out quick. Now with those screws loose, your back light will pop right out, and right there, this is where all your bulbs are. So when you take it off, it pops right out. Don't try and over screw it or anything. This is just plastic, or you'll break these little knobs that hold it in. So this is pretty simple. You just pop the light out and put a new one in. Like that. And it clicks back together. Now all you gotta do is make sure the your tail light fits back together like that. And now we'll screw everything back together, and she should be ready to go. And now next, all you gotta do is put everything back together. So when you're putting these wires back on and taking them off, I didn't show this earlier, these things just pull right on and off these screws here. And up here, this one goes in that screw. You can use a flathead like I did before just to slowly bring it off. Be careful, don't pry on it too hard, just be patient, we'll slowly wiggle it off. You don't want to break this. This just holds the wire secure back against your car. And so what I'm going to do is just do a quick little lapse of putting it back together. like in the description, I'm going to show you how to do both sides. Now, the other side is just like the first, is just like the last one I've shown you. And the first side is the driver's side. This will be the passengers. The only thing different is that this clip you need a screwdriver for. Or if your vehicle might have the same clips all around as I did on the driver's side. So I'll show you how to do that.